Hey guys, Chris here, and today we are going to be doing a tutorial on the ROTC uniform and how it's supposed to properly be set up. So as you can see here, right here, we have the shoulder marks. As you can see, I'm a sergeant rank. Right here, we have my name tag. We have the star and the insignia, or a crest. Now here is the ribbons. All ribbons go in order. This one is the parade ribbon. You get it for marching in a parade. This one is the let ribbon. You get it for being a let 2. And this is the stack that the ribbons go on for when you put them on your uniform. So for the uniform, we're going to be doing the shirt right here. And we're also going to be doing the jacket. But first, we're going to start off with the jacket. So I'm going to put the jacket right there. And then I'm going to come over here. I'm going to grab my name tag right here. Come back over here. Now, I don't know if you can see it, but the right pocket is right here. Now the name tag is going to go right at the top of the pocket, right where the edge of the pocket is, but you don't want to put it too far over. So now that the name tag is on, and it's exactly where it needs to go, next we're going to put on the star. Now the star has to be a pencil length width away from the name tag. So what you want to do is you want to take a pencil and you want to put it right at the name tag and then put the star right above it. Alright, now that the star is in right here, now that it's in exactly one pencil length away from the name tag, now you want to take the crest and put it also one pencil length away from the star. Now the pencil, it can work with any pencil just like this, number 2 pencil. Don't use any mechanical pencils or just use a regular number 2 pencil. It works best. So I'm going to put the crest on now, and we'll see what it looks like afterwards. So there's the crest on there right now. So now that the crest is on and it's exactly one pencil length away, now we're going to be putting on the ribbons. Now if we come over here to the right hand pocket, to the left hand pocket, my fault, sorry. If we go over here to the left hand pocket, right above the left hand pocket, you want to take the ribbons and you want to put it right above that. You want to make sure that there's a tiny, like a millimeter of space in between the pocket and the ribbon, but you also don't want the ribbons too far away from the pocket. So now that the ribbons are on, and they're exactly right above the left-handed pocket, now that the ribbons are on, now we're putting on the medal rank. Now the medal rank, they go right in the middle, right here on the shoulders. So that's the right-handed side right here. It has to go about a ½ inch away from the side on both sides. And it goes like right in the middle. You line it up. And then once you're done, you take this and you fold it in just like this so that the button's showing. And then now we're going to be doing the the left side of the uniform for the medal rank. Alright, there's the right side of there's the left. I keep saying right side. I should be saying left side. But here's the left side of the uniform with the medal rank put on, about a ½ inch away from both sides and in the middle with the button buttoned up. So that is the uniform right there with all the utilities put on it. And with the torches, you want to have them about 1 centimeter away from the sides, and you want to have them always going in a V shape. You see how they're in kind of like a little angle. You want to make sure they're always at an angle in a V shape. So next, we're going to be learning how to do the dress shirt for the ROTC uniform. I'll be showing you the shoulder marks, the ribbons, the name tag, the star, and the crest. So let's start off with the shoulder ranks. I'm a sergeant, and I'm going to be putting my ranks right here on the shoulders, right here. So I'm going to take one of these ranks. I'm going to take one of the ranks, and you see this? You're just going to slide it right here on the shoulder. Just slide it in there. It's a little bit hard to do with one hand, but let's see if I can do it, guys. One-handed. One-handed. Oh, it's going. It's going. Almost got it. Almost got it. And there we go. So it goes right there on the shoulders. And then you button them up. So now that the right shoulder is done, as you can see, it's perfectly aligned on here. Perfectly. Now we're heading over to the left shoulder to do this one. So now that the left shoulder one is on and the right shoulder one, see, both on. Now, the torches that were on your jacket, don't put them on these Class B uniforms. You don't want to put them on the uniforms. Now, in the Class B uniform, you don't have to wear a tie, but you have to keep this button unbuttoned, and you have to have a plain white t-shirt underneath. It can't have any logos or any stains on it. Just plain white t-shirt. So basically what we're going to be doing next is I'm going to show you where to put the ribbons. It's pretty much like the Class A's, except they're going to go in the same spot. So now the ribbons are on, and as you can see, they're right above the left-hand pocket. And when you put your ribbons on your uniform, you want to make sure that they're in perfect alignment and in order according to the ROTC ribbon formation. Now, we're going to be going over to this side, and we're going to take the right-hand pocket, and we're going to be putting the name tag right here. Alright, so now that the name tag is on, we're going to be doing similar to the Class A uniform, but this is the Class B, so we're still going to be putting the star right above here, 1 pencil length away from the name tag. And then above the star, we're going to be putting on the crest, also 1 pencil length away from the star. So I'm going to go ahead and put them both on. Alright, so now you have the star. Make sure it's always pointed up, make sure it's never tilted. And then you have the crest, each 1 pencil length away from each other. And as I was saying earlier, in these Class B uniforms, the tie is, you don't have to wear it, but you can wear it if you want to. But if you're not going to wear it, make sure this top button up here is undone, and make sure you always have a white t-shirt underneath with no symbols or logos on it. But if you do have the tie on, make sure it's all nice and tight and this top button is tightened. And yeah. So guys, thank you for stopping in today to watch of how the tutorial of doing a Class A and Class B uniform and how everything is set up. Please excuse me for messing up my left and my right. It's not hard holding your phone at the same time while decorating the uniform. So I'll catch you guys in the next video. I'll be doing a tutorial soon on how to tie a tie, and I'll be doing multiple tutorials in the future. I'll also be doing a tutorial on ranks and what each ranks means. So thank you guys for coming in today. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.